Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure Discord is updated and the app has both microphone and screen permissions. This prevents Android or iOS from blocking audio capture. Once done, join the voice channel and tap Share Screen. Pick entire screen or the specific app you want to stream. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off and Bluetooth audio is disconnected so output doesn't route elsewhere. These quick checks get you into the sharing flow and avoid permission or routing problems as you proceed. Next, focus on the in-app audio toggle that appears when you start screen sharing. Enable Share Audio or include device audio so viewers receive sound. If you picked a specific app, verify that app permits audio capture. Some apps disable capture for DRM-protected content. If the audio option is missing, force close and reopen Discord, then try sharing again. This often restores the toggle. Also make sure your phone's media volume is up, because screen share streams whatever the device outputs. To finish, confirm that Discord channel and user volumes aren't muted. Ask a friend to confirm they hear system audio. Once done, test by playing a known audio file, and if available, join using a second device to verify what listeners actually receive. If audio still fails, clear Discord app cache, reset permissions, or reinstall the app. These steps fix corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if DRM-protected media won't share audio, use a non-restricted source for screen sharing, because some content cannot be captured.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.